What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing the Oculus Quest 2. So let's begin with the video now. So welcome to Search Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. So if that is something that you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we release a new video. And there's going to be useful links below in the description covering everything that we discuss in this video. With that being said, let's get right into it. So I will be dividing this video in 8 different parts. First, we will be doing an unboxing and then we're going to go over the specs. Later on, we're going to talk about the signs, controls, hardware, the upgrades, price, and also the most important question, if you should buy it. So let's begin. Alright, so now let's open up this box and see everything that is inside of it. So let's start by removing the sticker. And now that we have opened up the sticker of the box, we can see right here a picture of the product itself. As you can tell, the 2 controllers and the VR headsets. This box is quite heavy, but that's probably because of the products inside. Let's try to open this box up, and it's going to slide to the side as you're looking right here at the video. Now, if we open up this box right here, we're going to see everything that is inside. We have controllers, this headset, and a little box right here on the back. So let's take out the headset first, and we're going to take a look at it. It's definitely bulky, but it looks really comfortable. Then in here, we're going to have what it would be a silicone cover for facial interface. Not sure if you can read that. And then over here in the back, we're going to have some instructions on how to move the lenses of the VR headset. And this is what I mean by moving the lenses. As you can tell, you can adapt them to have a better view of the VR headset. Then we're going to have the glasses spacer, and this is basically so you can get a more comfortable fit if you wear glasses of any type. Then right here, we're going to have both of the controllers right here. They have the center circle. They look really nice, a nice finish. And you can even see the buttons and the jogs right here at the bottom. Now we're going to take out this little box, which I'm assuming has the charger inside. And if we open it, we're going to find the regular menu with instructions, maybe some warnings. But then at the very back of this box in this instruction menu, we're going to have the regular charger that I was thinking it would be right here on the box. Also, if you take a look at it on the flap, you're going to have some instructions on how to wear them, how to turn the VR headset on, and how to adjust the strap. So now that we've seen everything that's inside the box, I believe we are ready to talk about the specs of the VR Oculus Quest 2. So let's begin with the video. So as far as specs go, this is a standalone type with a resolution of 1832 by 1920 per eye. It has a 90 Hz refresh rate and a motion detection of 6 DOF. The controls work with Oculus Touch, and the hardware platform is a standalone as well, while its software platform is Oculus. The design of the Quest 2 is a bit smaller and lighter than the original, weighing about 17.7 ounces and measuring 4 by 7.5 by 5.6 inches, not including the strap. The smooth plastic chassis of the headset is white, with the plastic and foam eye mask behind it is a contrasting black. The front faceplate is nearly bare with 4 position tracking cameras mounted along its edge. The left side of the headset holds a USB-C port and a 3.5 headphone millimeter jack, while the right side is home to the power button and an indicator LED. A volume rocker can be found on the underside of the headset along with the 2 pinhole microphones. The eye mask easily pulls out to let you adjust the position of the lenses to insert the included separator that lifts the headset slightly away from your face so you can comfortably use it with glasses. Even with the separator, however, glasses can feel awkward if you have particularly large frames. The headband is a 3-point elastic strap mounted on plastic arms that can pivot slightly up and down. The arms hold speakers that pipe sound into your ears without headphones, and the top strap connects to the headset with a hook and loop Velcro fasteners, letting you adjust the top of the Quest fits against your face. The side straps connect at the back with two plastic sliding clips. Now, the two motion controllers included with the Quest 2 have seen a slightly redesign from the original Oculus Touch controllers used with the Quest and the Rift S. They're still rounded handles with prominent rings on top of the headset's cameras to track their position, and the two triggers still fit naturally under your index and middle fingers. The circular control surface at the top of the handle right under your thumb is larger than before, with a comfortable bare spot to rest your thumb when you aren't actively using the analog stick or two-face buttons. The new design makes the controller feel a bit thicker in the hand and easier to hold securely, and the battery doing is less prone to sliding off during intense gameplay sessions. It isn't a drastic redesign, but a small few tweaks that make the controllers feel better without changing their layout or functions. You can also use the Quest 2 with your bare hands, and the headset supports hand tracking, a feature originally previewed in beta on the original Quest, which uses the cameras to follow the position, orientation, and shape of your hands. With the feature enabled, you can move your hands freely in front of the headset to control the in-system pointer. Pinching your thumb and forefinger together for a movement serves as a click, and pinching and holding works as a click and drag. As far as the hardware goes, Oculus has upgraded the headset's processor from Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 to the Snapdragon 865 derived from Snapdragon XR2. And this is an impressive in and of itself, as the Quest 2's $300 price makes it the most affordable Snapdragon 865 based device available in North America by far, because phones with the same chip will sell around $1,000. So more importantly, the new processor affords a significant boost in performance over the original Quest. It also gets 2 more GB of RAM for a total of 6 GB. The battery life remains limited, which is one of the main issues for standalone VR headsets. Oculus says you can expect between 2 or 3 hours of use between charges, about the same as the original. It is short, but you can double the time with the $129 Quest 2 Elite strap with battery and carrying case, a version of the previously accessory strap with a built-in battery pack. It isn't cheap, but considering it and Quest 2 together can just cost $30 more than the original headset did, it isn't that daunting if you really want to play long sessions. Now, when it comes to the upgrades, the headset features 6 GB of memory instead of 4 gigs. Its base model has 128 gigs of storage. Just like the Quest, for $399 you can get a greatly expanded 256 GB, and the Quest 2 uses Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 chipset instead of the Snapdragon 835, hypothetically letting it run better looking games, although the Quest 2's current library is heavily optimized for the original headset, and neither device approaches a PC's power. While taking advantage of the XR2's specific optimization for things like tracking cameras and VR screen resolutions, the headset remains chunky, but at 503 grams compared to the Quest 571, it's only a little heavier than the relatively lightweight original Oculus Rift. The battery life is similar to the Quest, clocking between 2 and 2.5 hours of gaming session. The Quest 2 screen resolution has leapfrogged most other VR sets, offering the 1832 by 1920 that we previously talked about, compared to the original's 1440 by 1600. Oculus also promises to upgrade the suboptimal 72Hz refresh rate to 90 refresh rate after launch. Resolution isn't the only factor that matters. The Valve Index has the all-Rift resolution, but its larger field of view and higher refresh rate makes the screen experience and crisp. Even with the update, the Quest 2 screen isn't transformationally different from the Quest 1, but text is notably less grainy, and in turn the whole experience feels more polished. Now, the cost of the Quest 2 will depend on what you buy. Oculus Quest 2 comes in 2 variants. The first one with 128 gigs priced at $299 and a 256 gigs version for $399, and that's a significant saving over the price that the original entry-level Oculus Quest model opened sales at. It's certainly not cheap, but considering it's a contained experience that doesn't require a PC, console, or even an additional screen in order to work it, it represents great value. Now lastly, should you buy the new Oculus Quest 2? And my answer is yes. The Oculus Quest 2 is one of the best VR headsets available for both beginners and seasoned VR veterans alike. In fact, I would go so far as to say it's a must-have device if you're looking for a top-tier VR system that doesn't require the additional wires, huge expense, or added fuss of a PC-based VR setup, like the HTC Vive or now discontinued Oculus Rift S. Being lightweight, comfortable, and powerful enough to run impressively detailed virtual reality experiences, the Oculus Quest 2 is the best VR set that Oculus has made so far. And depending on your perspective on raw power versus portability and comfort, it might just be the best VR headset ever too. The Quest 2 is an upgrade in every way with a lighter design and sharper display and a faster processor, all at a more affordable price than the original. For $300, it's the best all-in-one package for use in VR, with optional accessories for PC, tethering to double the battery of the headset. That makes it the best VR headset at this price by far. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.